Hello, dear learners. How are you doing? I am Dr. Nasri and welcome to my channel Learning Farsi Language with Dr. Nasri. If you want to learn Persian language conversation effectively and enjoyably, this video is perfect for you. Please support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Please read the previous lessons for better learning. Let's get started with lesson 42.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nasri.
You're welcome.
Greetings people. سلام و احوال پرسی. Part 1. Please pay attention to this part. Greetings people. سلام و احوال پرسی. Part 1. Look closely at the words salam and صبح بخیر. Farsi salam. Transliteration salam, meaning hello. Now listen carefully. صبح بخیر. Transliteration صبح بخیر, meaning good morning. You can use the word salam for greeting at any time of night or day. بخیر means well and good in good morning. Salam, صبح بخیر. Hello, good morning. Farsi درود. Transliteration درود, meaning hello. Remember that in Persian conversation, the word durud is also used at the beginning of the conversation at any time of the day or night. Please pay attention to this section. Farsi. Salam khanum. Transliteration. Salam khanum, meaning hello mom. Farsi بفرمایید. Transliteration بفرمایید, meaning how could I help you? During a conversation in Farsi, the second person answers like this. سلام خانم, بفرمایید. Hello mom, how could I help you? Please pay attention to this part. سلام, صبح بخیر. سلام خانم, بفرمایید. Lily, a tourist visiting Isfahan, enters a cafe and asks the restaurant owner Arash to introduce her to her tour guide. Now pay attention to the first part of Lily and Arash's conversation. Let's go to the next slide.
سلام و احوال پرسی. سلام, صبح بخیر.
سلام خانم, بفرمایید.
Greeting and meeting people.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, Mom. How could I help you?
Got you underneath my skin. Sundays and holidays is where we all begin. Beauty really is so deep. The way you talk to me, the words I wanna keep. Your intellect puts mine to shame, and I still call out your name. got you underneath my skin. Got you underneath my skin. Every day a holiday, as much as we get in. My heart is yours for keeps. The days are just too short to ignore each other's needs. The time elapsed is no mean game, and I love you all the same. Building castles in the sand, keep on running, hold my hand. Stormy teardrops dripping down, my chest is heaving, there's no sound. Massive feelings from within, not quite knowing where we fit in. Got you underneath my skin. Building castles in the sand, keep on running, hold my hand. Stormy teardrops dripping down, my chest is heaving, there's no sound. Massive feelings from within, not quite knowing where we fit in. Got you underneath my skin. Got you underneath my skin.